Everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be making an air fried fish fillet sandwich. So this sandwich is going to be inspired by my son's favorite sandwich or favorite fish sandwich. It's the McDonald's Filet-o-fish. So what I decided to do was go order a sandwich to see why he likes this sandwich so much, taste it, figure out what's good about it, and how I can improve this recipe. So I went to McDonald's. I ordered his sandwich the way that he normally does. He likes a fish fillet with extra tartar sauce. I want to take it home, taste it, look at it, and then I not only want to try to replicate it, but I want to make it better than what he normally likes. So far it looks okay. It's a square piece of fish. And I have to wonder, is this really fish? I've never seen a square piece of fish before. But I'm going to give this a taste, and then I'll let you know what I like about it and what I think I can improve on. So, okay, I've tried the fish sandwich, and there are a few things that I'm going to do. So I'm going to improve on the fish itself. I'm going to make it crunchy because the texture is just, it was coated in some sort of batter, but it's not the fish that tastes good. I think it's the combination of the tartar sauce and the cheese that really makes the sandwich. So I think there's room for me to make a tasty piece of fish. And I'm going to do that by using this seasoned flour. So whatever kind of either fish fry that you have on hand or whatever your favorite fish batter is, use that if you want to make a delicious fish sandwich at home. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning to this flour just to give it that extra flavor. And I'm using the egg to give it that added crunch. I want to make sure that this flour is going to stick to the fish, and that way it'll be the star attraction of this sandwich. So now that I've got the flour nice and seasoned, I'm ready to start my assembly line. So I got out two different types of fish here because I wasn't sure which one I wanted to use for a sandwich. Some fish is good fried, and then different types of fish are better air fried. For this particular sandwich, I'm going to go with the smaller piece of fish, which is actually tilapia, and I'm going to air fry that. So I'm just going to scoop up the tilapia. I'm going to dip it in the egg and hot sauce mixture. That's going to help my flour stick to the fish whenever I air fry it. And then from there, I'm going to put it in the dry so that it can get some seasoning. So now we're over to the air fryer. I'm going to spray it with nonstick cooking spray. And this is the trick. Whenever you're cooking it, you do need to either coat it with oil or butter. I really like this butter, but whatever butter you have on hand, just melt it and then drizzle it over your fish. So that's it. What I'm going to do is cook it halfway and then check it to see if it's crunchy enough, and make sure that the flour mixture is not dry. And then I'm going to wet it a little more with some nonstick cooking spray. So I'm going to put it on for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to take it out. And as you can see, I just coated it with a little more of that nonstick cooking spray. And this is what we ended up with: a nice, delicious, well-seasoned, but crunchy piece of fish. And then of course I've got the cheese to the side, and now I can start to put together that sandwich. This is looking really good. So I've got the bun, I've got the cheese, and I'm drizzling on the tartar sauce to make a homemade filet-o-fish sandwich. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me in my kitchen again. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so already. Take care, and I will talk to you in the next video.